to use it now. No, I was trying to play with my AirPods right now. Anyway, it's been quite a long time since I picked up my camera to vlog. I honestly don't know what happened, but I'm back with a productive vlog. Yeah, he's not going to move and get out of the frame, but anyway, I just need to finish off one more meeting, as I mentioned, and then start a new code review. So that's it for my work day, and we'll get started again. Hey, how's it going? Yeah, just because it's rainy and really windy right now, I didn't really want to step outside. Just finished work and just changed to head out to Legree soon. If you guys been following me, you know that I go to Legree 3 times a week, so this is my typical after work activity. Nothing else has really changed. I still consistently go to Legree and it's one of my happy self-care moments, so let's go. Just came to the RH store to browse around, window shop. You caught me.
What were you saying?
I was saying that we just came to the RH store to browse around. Let's get a bathroom. Oh, we need these.
Isn't that great?
This is amazing.
See what we should get for our future giant patio or rooftop deck.
Good morning, guys. It's actually my first time vlogging at Matt's place. My boyfriend's name is Matt, and yeah, I'm here very often, so this will be a beginning of a new setting in my channel, I guess. Today I'm doing like a shadow reverse on call, so I'm looking into some on call things. I'm not officially on call, I'm doing a reverse shadowing for the next 2 days, so I'm basically just getting supervised by the actual on-call, and he's letting me know what type of tickets that I could be working on that will be helpful for my gradual onboarding process for whenever I do become on call. So that's just what I'm working on at this moment. Vlogging in your office.
Yeah.
It smells so good.
Yeah?
Yeah. Matt made tomato soup for lunch and grilled cheese. It wasn't really for lunch, it was just for his video, but I get to eat it.
To reap the benefits.
Yes. It's
good.
Spicy. Oh, I like that.
It's spicy?
Yeah, there's like a
spicy.
little kick of spice.
Really?
Look how perfect this grilled cheese looks.
You could combine this with the eggs and it would basically be like a shakshuka.
Oh, that's true.
Oh, that's good.
espresso machine was a lot more labor intensive than I thought it would be, and I just got back from a workout, so my arms are more sore than they were just a few moments ago. But yeah, I finally have a new espresso machine over here. So let me show you guys the new machine real quick because I'm really excited about it. So this is the Breville Oracle Touch espresso machine. This is a major upgrade from my previous one that I've been using for nearly 5 years now. So for some additional context, this espresso machine and the coffee bean grinder right next to it, it was my very first big purchase as a recent college graduate and newly corporate tech girly. So it means a lot to me because it was truly an investment back then, and I would say it still is. Like, I'm a big coffee drinker, so I knew straight out of college that I wanted my own coffee machine, and I will say that the Breville ones are probably my favorite home coffee machine setups that I've tried so far. Even though there's nothing wrong with my current espresso machine setup, I think it was just time for an upgrade, so I'm really happy to start using this Oracle Touch one really soon. It's so much prettier and so much better and more powerful than this one, so I'm just excited to use it now. And I can't believe it took me 3 months to unbox it though, and that's mainly just because I was lazy. I didn't really want to unbox it and get rid of this one, so now is the time though. I'm finally excited to use it. This machine is so much fancier than what I'm used to. Like the kimchi jjigae. I think it's better than what I had before. Okay, I want mine in a snack. I have 2 bowls for us over there for the kimchi jjigae. I will slow down. Does anyone else own a pet and can't focus when they start begging for food? Because this is me on a daily basis having to feed him some snacks.
Can't see.
Soon you're gonna be friends with Howell, aren't you? So let's do a quick tour of Matt's very messy but organized room.
No! You did this. You made the mess.